Fáilte, Moonamean in Old Parish, the heart of the Gaeltacht in West Waterford. Even on a rainy day, this charming cottage has so much beauty to offer. This lovely home has been recently renovated. However, it would benefit from an energy upgrade. There are 3 double bedrooms, all really spacious. They've got gorgeous high ceilings and the views are beautiful. It's got a new kitchen, it's got new electrics, and it's even got fibre, so you could work from home. This property is on approximately 0.6 of an acre. It's only 10 minutes from Dungarvan, 10 minutes from Parnell, 10 minutes from Ardmore. If you could see yourself living here, don't dilly-dally. Get in touch with Liberty Blue today.